Hello, this is part 2 of Indian polity. Till now, we have revised till cabinet committees. Now, we'll start from parliament. So, parliament is the legislative organ of union government. Parliament consists of President, Rajya Sabha, and Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha currently has 543 members and Rajya Sabha has 245 members. Article 79 to Article 122 in Part 5 of the Constitution deals with Parliament, representation of states and UTs. In case of Rajya Sabha, representatives are elected by elected members of state legislative assembly in accordance with proportional representation by single transferable vote on the basis of population. It is indirectly elected in case of UTs. 12 are nominated who have special knowledge or experience in art, literature or science and social service. बात करें लोकसभा की, so लोकसभा के members are directly elected by people from territorial constituencies and the election is based on principle of UAF, Universal Adult Franchise. State is allotted a number of seats in Lok Sabha in such a manner that ratio between number and population is same for all the states. And second, states divided into territorial constituencies such that ratio between population and seat is same throughout the states, thus ensuring uniformity. 61st Constitutional Amendment Act of 1988 reduced voting age to 18 and 82nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 2001 extended frozen seats till 2026. बात करें रिजर्वेशन फॉर एसटी एंड एससी की, सो लोकसभा में इट इज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ पॉपुलेशन, फर्स्ट पास द पोस्ट सिस्टम बाय टेरिटोरियल रिप्रेजेंटेशन. बात करें ड्यूरेशन की, सो राज्यसभा is considered permanent body or continuing chamber where 1/3 members retire every second year. According to RPA 1951, it has fixed 6 years and 30 years to be the minimum age. बात करें लोकसभा की, so 25 years is the minimum age and 5 years is the duration. Duration can be extended. Lok Sabha का duration can be extended 1 year at a time for any length. President can dissolve Lok Sabha. बात करें membership की, so he must be the citizen of India and takes oath before the person authorized by Election Commission. RPA 1951 कहता है he or she must be an elector for parliamentary constituency and in case of Rajya Sabha must be an elector in that particular state. बात करें disqualification की, so decision of president is final with opinion of Election Commission. If the disqualification is on the ground of 10th schedule, speaker का decision final होता है लोकसभा के केस में और chairman का राज्यसभा के केस में and is subject to judicial review. Disqualification के grounds की बात करें, so give up voluntary membership, abstain from voting or votes contrary, independently elected person joins any political party or nominated members joins party after 6 months. Vacating of seats की बात करें तो double membership, a person cannot be member of both the house of parliament. If elected to both the houses, he must intimate within 10 days. Otherwise, seat in Rajya Sabha becomes vacant. If elected to 2 seats in house, 14 days decide करने को मिलेंगे. Otherwise, both seats vacant. If he becomes member of both parliament and state legislative assembly, 14 days का time दिया जाएगा. Vacate state legislative assembly seat. Otherwise, seat in parliament becomes vacant. Second, disqualification. When disqualified person is elected, RPA 1951 enables High Court to declare it void. Resignation. राज्य सभा के केस में chairman and लोक सभा के केस में speaker. If he has been absent for 60 days without giving any notice. Other cases, example, elected to office of president or vice president or governor. बात करें oath की तो president or person appointed by him. Salary and allowances parliament decides and no mention of pension in constitution. It is provided by parliament. बात करते हैं preceding officers की. लोकसभा के केस में स्पीकर इज द प्रिसाइडिंग ऑफिसर फ्रॉम रूलिंग पार्टी who is elected amongst Lok Sabha after first sitting. Date of election is fixed by president. His tenure is life of Lok Sabha. When Lok Sabha dissolves, speaker continues till newly elected Lok Sabha. He vacates his office when ceases to be the member of Lok Sabha. Speaker pro tem is appointed by president and he administers him oath. He presides over first sitting and administers oath to new members. He enables house to elect new speaker. Independence की बात करें, so he is provided with security of tenure and can be removed only by Lok Sabha by resolution and that too by special majority. And it must be supported by 50 members. 7th in rank with CJI, the conduct cannot be discussed. If the removal is under consideration, he cannot preside and may be present and vote. बात करें deputy speaker की, so he comes from opposition, elected by Lok Sabha itself amongst its member, elected after election of speaker who fix election date of deputy speaker. He performs duty of speaker when office of speaker is vacant or he is absent. He also presides over joint sitting of both the house of parliament in case speaker is absent from such sitting. बात करें डिप्टी स्पीकर के प्रिविलेज की, सो व्हेनेवर अपॉइंटेड एज मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट्री कमिटी ही ऑटोमेटिकली बिकम्स इट्स चेयरमैन। बात करें पैनल ऑफ चेयरपर्सन ऑफ लोकसभा की, सो स्पीकर नॉमिनेट्स 10 चेयरपर्सन्स हु प्रीसीड्स ड्यूरिंग एब्सेंस ऑफ बोथ स्पीकर एंड डिप्टी स्पीकर। दे होल्ड ऑफिस टिल न्यू पैनल इज नॉमिनेटेड। याद रखें कि व्हेन स्पीकर एंड डिप्टी स्पीकर के ऑफिस वेकेंट होंगे तब प्रेसिडेंट विल अपॉइंट फॉर सच पर्पस। स्पीकर के रोल और फंक्शन की बात करें, सो ही इज द हेड ऑफ लोकसभा, derive his power from constitution, rules of procedure, conduct of business and parliamentary conventions. He adjourns house, he suspends house during absence of quorum, that is 1/10. He presides over joint sitting which is summoned by president, decides on question of money bill and his decision is final. Decides on the question of disqualification, that is 10th schedule. He is ex officio chairman of Indian Parliamentary Group and Conference of Presiding Officers. He is chairman of Business Advisory Committee, Rules Committee and General Purpose Committee. बात करते हैं राज्यसभा के चेयरमैन की। वाइस प्रेसिडेंट इज एक्स ऑफिशियो चेयरमैन ऑफ राज्यसभा। He is removed when removed from office of vice president. He is not the member of house. He enjoys casting vote, and when the resolution for his removal is under consideration, he can be present and speak in the house and take part in the proceedings without voting right. Deputy chairman elected amongst Rajya Sabha itself and performs duty of chairperson or vice president when vacant or vice president is acting as president or absence. While proceeding only enjoys casting vote, and while removal is under consideration he cannot preside. बात करें panel of chairperson की, so chairperson nominates amongst the member a panel of chairperson who preside over house in the absence of chairperson or deputy chairperson. और याद रखें जब chairman और डेप्टी चेयरमैन की ऑफिस वेकेंट रहेंगी तब प्रेसिडेंट विल अपॉइंट फॉर दिस पर्पस। बात करें लीडर्स इन पार्लियामेंट, सो राज्यसभा के केस में नॉमिनेटेड बाय प्राइम मिनिस्टर एंड लोकसभा के केस में प्राइम मिनिस्टर। लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन इज ऑब्वियसली लीडर ऑफ लार्जेस्ट ऑपोजिशन पार्टी हैविंग नॉट लेस देन 1/10 सीट्स ऑफ टोटल स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द हाउस। ऑफिस ऑफ लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन, लीडर ऑफ हाउस इज मेंशन्ड इन रूल्स ऑफ हाउस एंड पार्लियामेंट्री स्टैट्यूट। बात करें लेम डक सेशन की, सो इट रेफर्स टू लास्ट सेशन ऑफ एग्जिस्टिंग Lok Sabha. Those member of existing Lok Sabha who could not get re-elected to the new Lok Sabha are called lame ducks, or member of existing Lok Sabha who could not get re-elected. बात करें whip की, so it is based on convention and every party has their own whip. He serves as assistant floor leader and ensures attendance of members and members are supposed to follow whip. बात करें सेशंस ऑफ पार्लियामेंट की, सो समनिंग और समन द प्रेसिडेंट फ्रॉम टाइम टू टाइम समन्स ईच हाउस ऑफ पार्लियामेंट। आप बीएमडब्ल्यू याद रखें, बजट सेशन, मॉनसून सेशन एंड विंटर सेशन। मिनिमम गैप 6 मंथ्स का होना चाहिए और द मैक्सिमम गैप बिटवीन 2 सेशंस कैन नॉट बी मोर देन 6 मंथ्स। सेशन ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट इज पीरियड स्पैनिंग बिटवीन फर्स्ट सिटिंग ऑफ द हाउस एंड इट्स प्रोरोगेशन। रिसेस इज बिटवीन प्रोरोगेशन एंड रीअसेंबली। एडजर्नमेंट, अ सेशन ऑफ पार्लियामेंट which is terminated or suspended for specified time. Adjournment sine die की बात करें, so when sitting is terminated for an indefinite period and it lies with preceding officer, that is chairman in case of Rajya Sabha and speaker in case of Lok Sabha. Prorogation, so after the speaker or the chairperson has announced adjournment sine die, within next few days or weeks president issues notification of prorogation. The president can also prorogue the house while house is in session. बात करें डिसोल्यूशन की, सो लोकसभा इज सब्जेक्टेड टू डिसोल्यूशन। डिसोल्यूशन एंड्स वेरी लाइफ ऑफ हाउस। बात करें डिसोल्यूशन की, सो डिसोल्यूशन एंड्स द वेरी लाइफ ऑफ एग्जिस्टिंग हाउस। बात करें कोरम की, सो लोकसभा के केस में 55 मेंबर्स एंड राज्यसभा के केस में 25 मेंबर्स एंड ड्यूरिंग एब्सेंस ऑफ कोरम प्रीसीडिंग ऑफिसर्स एडजर्न और सस्पेंड्स द मीटिंग। बात करें लैप्स ऑफ बिल की, सो लैप्स ऑफ बिल व्हेन लोकसभा डिसॉल्व्स, सो आप सिर्फ दो ही याद रखें, अ बिल पेंडिंग इन लोकसभा लैप्सेस and a bill passed by Lok Sabha but pending in Rajya Sabha lapses, और बाकी सब पास हो जाते हैं और या लैप्स नहीं करते। लैंग्वेज की बात करें तो प्रीसीडिंग ऑफिसर कैन परमिट फॉर मदर टंग। कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हैज डिक्लेयर्ड हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश अंडर ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज एक्ट 1963। वोटिंग इन हाउस इज डन बाय मेजॉरिटी वोट। डिवाइसेस ऑफ पार्लियामेंट्री प्रोसीडिंग्स की बात करें तो क्वेश्चन आवर, फर्स्ट आवर ऑफ एवरी सिटिंग वेयर मेंबर्स आस्क एंड मिनिस्टर्स आंसर। स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन का ओरल आंसर एंड सप्लीमेंट्री क्वेश्चन कैन बी फॉलोड। Unstart question requires written answer. Short notice question, oral answer and 10 days prior notice. Private member question, subject related to bill. Start question green color का होगा, unstart question white, short notice question pink and private member question yellow color. बात करें 0R की, so it is informal device which start after question hour. It is related to matters without prior notice. Gap between question hour and agenda and it is an Indian innovation. Half an hour discussion की बात करें, so matter of sufficient public importance that needs elucidation. Speaker can allot 3 days in a week. बात करें short duration discussion की, so it is also known as 2-hour discussion. Speaker can allot 2 days in a week. The special mention motion that can't be raised can now be raised under special mention. Resolutions, it can be of 3 types: private member resolution, government resolution, and statutory resolution. Private member resolution, alternate Fridays; government resolution, Monday to Thursday; statutory resolution, it can be moved by private member or a minister. A member can move a resolution to draw the attention of the House to the matter of general public importance. It cannot be withdrawn, and all resolutions comes under substantive motion. Substantive motion हम आगे देखते हैं. So बात करें motions की, तो substantive motion which is used to impeach president and removal of chief election commission. Closure motion to cut short debate. Simple closure, when member moves a matter having been sufficiently discussed, can now be put to vote. Closure by compartments, resolution is grouped into parts and put into vote. Kangaroo motion, only important clauses are taken up. Guillotine closure, indiscussed clauses and discussed clauses together are put into vote. Privilege motion against ministers who committed breach of privileges. Calling attention motion, rules of procedure and matter of general urgent public importance. Adjournment motion, matter of definite urgent public importance that needs support of 50 members. It can last max to max 2.5 hours and it cannot be moved by Rajya Sabha. No confidence motion to remove ministry and it needs 50 member support. Confidence motion की बात करें, so by president to prove majority. If found negative, it leads to fall of government and it can be also suo motu. Censor motion की बात करें, so again it can be moved against individual, group or whole council of minister and reason must be stated, and if passed it does not lead to resignation. Motion of thanks after president's address, it is put into vote and it must be passed, otherwise it leads to defeat of government. No day yet name motion, motion that is admitted by speaker but no fixed date. Dilatory motion, it can be moved by member at any time after motion has been made. It is used to retard progress of business. Point of order, moved when proceedings do not follow normal rules of procedure. It is mainly moved by leader of opposition. Public bill क्या होता है? It requires 7 days prior notice and it can be moved by minister and it reflects policies of government. बात करें प्राइवेट बिल की, so it is moved by person other than minister. It reflects stand of opposition. It requires 1 month prior notice. Legislative procedures in parliament. Ordinary bill, money bill and financial bill. शुरू करते हैं ऑर्डिनरी बिल से. सो मैटर्स अदर देन फाइनेंशियल सब्जेक्ट्स, पहले फर्स्ट रीडिंग होती है व्हेन अ बिल इज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड एंड पब्लिकेशन इन गैजेट. इट कैन बी इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन ईदर हाउस, राज्यसभा और लोकसभा एंड ईदर बाय मिनिस्टर और अदर देन मिनिस्टर. आते हैं सेकंड रीडिंग में. तो द बिल रिसीव्स डिटेल्ड स्क्रूटनी एंड अज्यूम्स इट्स फाइनल शेप. स्टेज ए में जनरल डिस्कशन होता है. 4 एक्शंस या 4 ऑप्शंस रहते हैं. टू कंसिडर द बिल, रेफर द बिल टू सेलेक्ट कमिटी और जॉइंट कमिटी, और सर्कुलेट द बिल टू एलिसिट पब्लिक ओपिनियन. Stage B, that is committee stage, where amendment is also possible. आते हैं stage C में, third stage, that is consideration stage, where discussion happens, separate voting, and members can also move amendments, and if accepted, they become part of the bill. यहाँ से bill जाता है third reading के लिए, where debate on acceptance and rejection takes place. Here, no amendments can be moved. It requires authentication by preceding officer, and then it is sent to second house. The bill enters second house. It can be passed without amendments or passed with amendments. At reconsideration stage, may reject the bill or does not take any action, and in case of deadlock, joint sitting is possible. And if not, it is then bill is sent to president. For president assent, he can give the assent, withhold or return the bill. And if the bill is passed again, the president must give assent. He only enjoys suspensive veto. The bill becomes act and it is placed on statute book. बात करते हैं money bill की. So Article 110 of the Constitution deals with definition of money bill. It deals with financial subject, taxation and public expenditure, changing taxation, borrowings, withdrawal, appropriation out of Consolidated Fund of India, expenditure charge, receipts, etc. It is not a money bill if the matter is related to fees, fines or taxing local authority. A money bill can be only introduced in Lok Sabha and also on the recommendation of President. It is considered government bill and can only be introduced by minister. Question on money bill, Speaker decides and it cannot be questioned. Rajya Sabha can only recommend and cannot reject the money bill, cannot amend. Rajya Sabha must return it within 14 days. President की बात करें, when passed by both the houses, the bill is presented to President. The President cannot return the money bill. He can only give assent or withhold the money bill. बात करें financial bill की, so these are those bills that deals with fiscal matters, that is revenue or expenditure, and it is different from money bill. Financial Bill 1, Article 117(1) and Financial Bill 2, Article 173. All money bills are financial bills, but all financial bills are not money bill. Financial Bill 1, that is Article 117(1) की बात करें, so it can only introduced in Lok Sabha, and that too only after recommendation of President. Rajya Sabha can reject it or amend it. In case of deadlock, joint sitting is possible. President can withhold his assent, give his assent, or return the bill. Financial Bill 2 की बात करें, Article 117(3), so it contains provision relating to expenditure from Consolidated Fund of India, and it is treated as ordinary bill. President is required at consideration stage. It cannot be passed by either house unless President recommends. Can be rejected or amended by either house. Joint sitting is possible in case of deadlock. President can give his assent, withhold his assent, or return the bill. So हमने legislative procedures देखा, ordinary bill, money bill and financial bill. कुछ differences समझ लेते हैं. Ordinary bill can be introduced in either house, Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha, either by minister or other member. Money bill only in Lok Sabha on the recommendation of President and only by minister. Financial Bill 1 can only be introduced in Lok Sabha and only after recommendation of President. Financial Bill 2, जैसे हमने की देखा, it is treated as ordinary bill, so it can be either introduced in Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. So joint sitting only for ordinary bill and finance bill. Joint sitting is extraordinary machinery and it is provided by Constitution. Joint sitting can be held when a bill is rejected or disagreed or 6 months is elapsed. There has been 3 joint sittings so far relating to dowry, banking and terrorism. Joint sitting is governed by rules of procedure of Lok Sabha. No new amendments can be introduced except for amendment that caused the deadlock and amendments that has become necessary due to delay in its passage. Budget की बात करें, so it is principle of annuity. No tax can be levied or collected except by authority of law. Article 112, that is annual finance statement of receipts and expenditure of Government of India. Budget is laid down by President before the House and no demand for grant without President's recommendation. Rajya Sabha has no power on demand for grant. What budget contains? Estimate of receipts, estimate of expenditure, ways and means to raise revenue, details of receipts and expenditure, economic and financial policies. बात करते हैं charged expenditure की, तो charged expenditure does not require voting, only discussion can be held. Salaries and allowances of President, Chairman and Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha, Speaker and Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha, Supreme Court and High Court Judge pension, CAG, UPSC का pension, administrative expenses and debt charges, government liabilities. Other grants की बात करें, for special circumstances, so supplementary grants due to insufficiency of funds, additional grants due to new services not contemplated, excess grants when spent in excess to what granted, it is approved by PAC, Public Account Committee. Vote on credit to meet unexpected demand, it is given by Lok Sabha to executive like blank check. Exceptional grant for special purpose, token grant, expenditure on new services made available by appropriation. बात करते हैं stages in enactment of budget की. So first stage है presentation stage. The budget is presented to the Lok Sabha by Finance Minister. The Finance Minister presents the budget with a budget speech. Economic survey few days before budget. It is presented few days before budget and it is prepared by Finance Ministry. It reflects the status of national income. Second stage में general discussion होता है. Third stage, that is scrutiny by department committee, where 24 departmental committees of parliament examine and discuss in detail the demand for grant. Fourth में voting on demand for grant. Lok Sabha takes up voting. During this stage, the members of parliament can discuss the details of budget and they can also move motions known as cut motions. पहला policy cut motion, that is amount reduced to ₹1. Economic cut motion, that is amount to be reduced to specified amount. Token cut motion, amount is reduced by ₹100, and if passed, it may lead to resignation as it reflects the lack of confidence. Fifth stage, that is appropriation bill for appropriation out of Consolidated Fund of India. President legalizes payments out of Consolidated Fund of India, and it goes till April end. Vote on accounts, that is, it is passed after general discussion on budget is over. It is granted for 2 months for an amount equivalent to 1/6 of total estimate. Sixth stage, that is passing of finance bill, give effect to financial proposal. Amendments can now be moved and it must be enacted within 75 days and it legalizes income side of the budget. बात करते हैं funds की. So 3 टाइप के, Consolidated Fund of India, Public Account Committee and Contingency Fund of India. Consolidated Fund of India की बात करें, so Article 226 talks about Consolidated Fund of India. Here the receipts are credited and all payments are debited. No money out of this fund can be appropriated except in accordance with parliamentary law. All revenue received, all loans raised, all money received and in repayment of loans. बात करते हैं Public Account Committee की. Article 266, it includes Provident Fund of India, judicial deposits, saving bank deposits, departmental deposits, and remittances. It is operated by executive action and thus it does not require parliamentary appropriation. Such payments are mostly in the nature of banking transaction. बात करते हैं थर्ड फंड की, that is Contingency Fund of India, Article 267. It is placed at disposal of President to meet unforeseen expenditure. It is held by Finance Secretary on behalf of President. It is held by Finance Secretary on behalf of President. It requires only executive action. So Consolidated Fund of India requires parliamentary law or parliamentary appropriation. बात करते हैं multifunctional role of Parliament की. So legislative powers and functions. The Parliament make laws for governance of country. Exclusive power to make laws on union list and on residuary subjects, and it has overriding powers with respect to concurrent list. Parliament can make laws on subject enumerated in state list when national emergency and president rule is in operation. Two or more states makes joint request to give effect to international agreement when Rajya Sabha passes a resolution. Delegated legislation क्या होता है? Parliament make laws in skeletal form and authorizes executive to make detailed rules and regulations. So इसे कहते हैं delegated legislation. Ordinance making power जो president के पास होती है, it must be approved by parliament within 6 weeks. बात करते हैं second power, that is executive power and function. Executive is responsible to parliament for its policies and acts. Parliament exercise control over executive through various devices like 0 hour, half an hour discussion, question hour, etc. Ministers are responsible to Lok Sabha in particular and Parliament in general. Lok Sabha can express lack of confidence through passing censure and cut motion, rejecting money bill and defeating government, not passing motion of thanks. Third power, that is financial power, tax levied and collected by executive only under authority and approval of Parliament. Enactment of budget by Parliament legalizes receipts and expenditure, scrutinize government spending through financial committees, controls executive in financial matter through budgetary control during enactment and post budgetary control through 3 financial committees. Rule of lapse क्या होता है? Money not spent returned to the Consolidated Fund of India. Therefore, we observe March rush, that is high spending at the end of financial year. Constitutional power and function, that is fourth power. Parliament has power to amend the constitution. Fifth, judicial power. Power to impeach president, remove vice president, recommend removal of Supreme Court and High Court judge, CJI and CAG, punish member and also outsiders for breach and contempt of court. Sixth power, that is electoral power and function. Parliament participate in election of president along with state legislature. The Parliament is also authorized to make laws to regulate election to office of president and vice president to both the houses of parliament and to both the houses of state legislature. Other powers की बात करें तो it is highest deliberative body, create and abolish state legislative council, regulate organizations and jurisdiction of Supreme Court, High Court and Common High Court. एक और आप याद रख लें, it approves all 3 types of emergencies. Position of Rajya Sabha, where it is equal and unequal and has special power, where Rajya Sabha is equal to that of Lok Sabha. Introduction and passage of Ordinary Bill, Constitutional Amendment Bill, and Financial Bill 2. Election and removal of President and Vice President. Vice President के केस में Rajya Sabha can alone initiate the removal of Vice President, approval of ordinances and emergency, enlargement of jurisdiction of High Court and Supreme Court, recommend President for removal of CJI, Supreme Court and High Court judge, unequal status of Rajya Sabha with Lok Sabha. Money bill can be introduced only in Lok Sabha. Finance Bill 1 only introduced in Lok Sabha. In case of joint sitting, Speaker preside and Chairman does not. Demand for grant, Rajya Sabha has no right to vote. Discontinuation of emergency, that is national emergency, only Lok Sabha can decide. Rajya Sabha cannot remove Council of Ministers by passing non-confidence motion. The special powers of Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha can authorize Parliament to make laws on state list, Article 249. Authorize Parliament to create All India Service, Article 312. Rajya Sabha can alone initiate removal of Vice President under Article 67. Proclamation of national emergency, if approved by Rajya Sabha, can be made effective. Parliamentary privileges की बात करें to ensure effectiveness and independence. So these are special rights, immunities and exemptions enjoyed by 2 houses of parliament. It also extends to those who take part and speak in house, that is AGI, Attorney General of India and Union Minister. Classified into individual and collective privileges. इंडिविजुअल प्रिविलेजेस की बात करें तो दे कैन नॉट बी अरेस्टेड ड्यूरिंग द सेशन ऑफ पार्लियामेंट एंड 40 days बिफोर and 40 days after the end of session for only civil cases. They enjoy freedom of speech and they are exempted from jury services. Collective privileges की बात करें so right to publish reports, their debates and proceedings. They can exclude strangers from its proceedings. Courts are prohibited to inquire. No legal proceedings without the permission of preceding officer. Parliamentary privileges are based on 5 sources: constitutional provisions, laws made by parliament, rules of both the houses, parliamentary conventions and judicial interpretation. Breach of privileges की बात करें so when individual attacks or disrespect any privileges of the house. Contempt of court, act or omission that obstruct a house from functioning that results against dignity, authority and honor of the house. There can be contempt of court without breach of privileges. Sovereignty of parliament की बात करें so sovereignty means supreme power within the state. The Indian parliament cannot be regarded as sovereign body. Why? Because of written nature of constitution, fundamental law, parliament has to operate within the specified limit. Federal system होने के कारण that is division of power, judicial review, both Supreme Court and High Court can declare the law enacted by parliament as void or unconstitutional. Fundamental rights that comes under justiciable part under part 3 of the constitution. Therefore, the authority and jurisdiction of Indian parliament are defined, limited and restrained. So साथ ही साथ हम अभी state legislature की बात करेंगे और अब हम देखेंगे state legislature article 168 to article 212 in part 6 of the constitution deals with state legislature. There is no uniformity in the organization. At present, only 6 states have 2 houses, that is bicameralism: Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Legislative Council, that is Vidhan Parishad, and Legislative Assembly, that is Vidhan Sabha, that is the lower body. बात करते हैं Legislative Assembly की. So the strength varies from 60 to 500 depending upon population of the state. Person shall not be less than 25 years of age in case of Legislative Assembly. Members are elected directly on the basis of universal adult franchising. Constitution ensures uniformity of representation between different constituencies of state. 87th Constitutional Amendment Act of 2003, delimitation on the basis of 2001 census. 87th Constitutional Amendment Act of 2003, delimitation on the basis of 2001 census. Reservation of ST and SC on the basis of population. बात करते हैं Legislative Council की तो Parliament can abolish Legislative Council if Legislative Assembly passes the resolution by special majority. Composition की बात करें so 1/3 of total strength of Legislative Assembly and minimum 40 members. Indirectly elected by proportional representation in accordance with system of proportional representation by single transferable vote. बात करते हैं manner of election की so 1/3 elected by members of local bodies and 1/3 elected by members of Legislative Assembly amongst who are not members of Legislative Assembly. 1/12 by graduates and 1/12 by teachers. 1/6 nominated by governor as per special knowledge of literature, science, art, social service, etc. Duration की बात करें so Legislative Assembly के केस में 5 years can be extended during national emergency by 1 year at a time for indefinite period. Legislative Council के केस में so it is the continuing chamber or permanent body where 1/3 members retire every second year. Oath and affirmation की बात करते हैं oath की तो members take oath before governor. Salary and allowances are decided by state legislature. Resignation, speaker in case of Lok Sabha, in case of Legislative Assembly and chairman in case of Legislative Council. Membership की बात करें so person to be elected to Legislative Assembly must be an elector for an assembly constituency in concerned state and in case of Legislative Council, elector of concerned state. Disqualification की बात करें so Legislative Council के केस में upon 10th schedule, speaker और chairman subject to judicial review and Legislative Council के केस में भी decision of governor is final with opinion of election commission. Vacation of seats की बात करें so double membership, disqualification, resignation, absence और other cases same element के जैसा. Double membership cannot be member of both house. Preceding officers की बात करें तो assembly के केस में speaker elected amongst assembly itself, tenure, life of Legislative Assembly, decides on the question of money bill and question of 10th schedule, appoint chairmen himself, chairman of Business Advisory Committee, Rules Committee and General Purpose Committee. Speaker nominates panel of chairperson. Deputy Speaker की बात करें so elected amongst assembly itself, performs duty of speaker when office of speaker is vacant or absent. बात करते हैं chairman ऑफ लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल की, सो इलेक्टेड बाय काउंसिल इटसेल्फ फ्रॉम अमंगस्ट इट्स मेंबर, salary and allowances are fixed by state legislature. Chairman of legislative council nominates panel of chairperson, holds office until a new panel of chairperson is nominated. Deputy chairperson is also elected amongst council. Removal is by special majority. सेशन ऑफ स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर की बात करें सो समन करता है गवर्नर, मैक्सिमम 6 मंथ्स का गैप हो सकता है. एडजर्न, सस्पेंड सिटिंग, एडजर्नमेंट सिने डाई, सस्पेंड सिटिंग फॉर इंडेफिनिट पीरियड, prorogation by governor, dissolution ends the very life, quorum 1/10, and language in state legislature Hindi and English, and preceding officer can allow proceeding in mother tongue. The rights of ministers and advocate general की बात करें, they have right to speak and take part in proceedings of either house, but only vote where a member. Privileges of state legislature की बात करें तो it extends to attorney general and state ministers and not to governor. सेम है पार्लियामेंट की तरह, कलेक्टिव एंड इंडिविजुअल. इट डज नॉट एक्सटेंड टू गवर्नर, याद रखें, डज नॉट एक्सटेंड टू गवर्नर. लेजिस्लेटिव प्रोसीजर इन स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर की बात करें सो ऑर्डिनरी बिल इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन ईदर हाउस बाय ईदर मिनिस्टर और मेंबर, फर्स्ट, सेकंड और थर्ड रीडिंग होती है. बिल इन सेकंड हाउस, लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल हैज फॉलोइंग ऑप्शन: रिजेक्ट और रिकमेंड, पास विदाउट अमेंडमेंट और विद अमेंडमेंट, कीप बिल पेंडिंग मैक्सिमम 3 months and can be extended for 1 month extra, so total maximum 4 months. If passed again, no action taken for 1 month, it is deemed to be passed. So maximum state legislative council can keep a bill pending is 4 months. Ultimate power is held by assembly. No joint sitting is provided in case of deadlock. If bill originates in council and assembly rejects the bill ends. And if assembly gives the assent, it is presented to governor, can reserve the bill, give assent, withhold or return the bill. But if the bill is passed again, he must give his assent. Therefore, he only enjoys suspensive veto. And when the governor reserves the bill for president, the president is not obliged to give his assent. बात करें मनी बिल की, so money bill in state legislature can be only introduced in assembly, legislative assembly, on the recommendation of governor, only by minister. Legislative council has to return money bill within 14 days. Legislative council cannot reject or amend the money bill. Passed by either house, presented to governor, he can withhold the money bill, give his assent, but cannot return. If reserved for president can withhold his assent, give his assent, but cannot return. तो बात करें position of legislative council की, when equal with respect to legislative assembly, intro and passage of ordinary bill, during ordinance approval, considering reports, enlargement of jurisdiction of SPSC, State Public Service Commission. Position of legislative council where it is unequal with that of legislative assembly. In case of money bill, that can only be introduced in legislative assembly. Final power of ordinary bill lies with assembly. Legislative council can only discuss budget. They have no power in demand for grant, no vote. Legislative council does not participate in election of president and its existence depends on the will of assembly. So हमने अभी किया स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर एंड पार्लियामेंट. मिलते हैं अगले पार्ट पे. हमने 2 मेजर चैप्टर कवर कर लिए हैं. तो आगे के लिए ऑल द बेस्ट. थैंक यू.